Yes, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine, very good. Now welcome back to online classes again. So this is today revision number 2, revision day 2, the number system. So in the last classes we have seen some of the problems. Today we are going to express the given decimals in the form of p by q. See, the definition of rational numbers, whatever we studied in 8th standard, that is a number which is in the form of p by q, where p and q are belongs to integers and q is not equal to 0. This is the definition of a rational number. If you know these 3 points, then you can tell the definition. The numbers which are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, that much only. Okay, no need of writing any definition or anything. But if you know the concept, then what happens? You will move according to the concept only. Okay, na? Very simple. First one, 0. This you can do in two methods. One is like this. 1, 0, that is 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, that is 1 by 5. Okay na? 1 divided by 5. 0 point like this. Okay? It is nothing but 1 by 5 only. You can re-verify. 1.10. 5 2 ja 10. That's all. See, 0.2. Okay, na? This is so. What is the decimal? What is the rational form? It is nothing but 1 by 5 only. Okay, right. Next one, very simple. 0.888 like this. See, this I can write like this. 0.8 bar, or we can write 88 bar, or you can write 88 bar, however you want. Okay, no problem. I will take like this. Let x is equals to 0.88 bar. Okay, then next what happened? 100x equal to what happens? 88.88 bar. However you want to get. Now very simple. Now this I will write like this. 88. See, you can make. What is the value of x? 0.88 bar plus 0.88 bar. It is nothing but 100x. Okay na? Now 100x, okay, is equals to 88 plus, from this what we can write? X. Therefore 100x minus x equal to 88. Therefore 99x equal to 88 divided by 88, which implies, yes, x is equals to 88 by 99. So 11 8 ja, 11 9 ja. Therefore x equal to 8 by 9. Okay na? So like this we should write x equal to 8 by 9. Okay na? Any doubt in this? Okay, next 5.2 bar we take. This also you can write 5.22 bar also we can take. Now let x is equals to 5.22 bar. Understood? Now, very simple. 10x equal to what? 52.22 bar. Over. Okay na? In this, what is x value? You just subtract 5.22 bar. You just subtract the value of x. What you will get? Here 0 0 12 minus 5 is 7, 47. That means what? 10x equal to 47 plus 5.22 bar. Okay na? Very very simple. Now 10x is equals to 47 plus 5.22 bar means what? 5.22 bar means yes. Therefore 10x minus x equal to 47. Therefore 9x equal to 47 and x equal to 40. Yes. X equal to 47 by 9. That much. Okay na? So like this we have to solve. Okay? Did you understand? Yes. Next problem we can solve one by one. Please practice not only these problems, many number of problems will get in NET or in any sample books, yes, reference books. Next one is 0.001 bar. Very very simple. Now what I will do, let x equal to this much only. Now I will do 100x is equals to what happened? 1. Yes, 001 bar. Did you understand? Now in this 0.001 bar, if you take out what happened? 1.0. Therefore what happened? 100x equal to 1 plus 0.001. Therefore 100x is equals to 1 plus this much is nothing but x. Therefore 100x minus x equal to 1. Therefore 99x equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1 by 99. Yes, it is nothing but 100x or 1000x or 10x to 100. Okay, sorry, 1000x. 1000x. If you do like this, 1000x, 1000x, 1000x. Therefore, 99 and is 90. Okay, na? It is very simple. Right. Next. 0.255 means what? You can write 0.25 bar. Let it be x is equals to 0.25 bar. Now 10 means 100x is equals to 25.5 yes 5 bar. In this, what is x equal to? Just take it. 25 bar. So 0, 3, 25. Therefore, 100x equal to 25.3 plus 0.25 bar. Now very simple. 100x is equals to 25.3 plus x. Therefore, 100x minus x is equals to 25.3. 99x equal to 25.3. X equal to 25.3 divided by 99 or 253 divided by 990. We can do like this. Okay? Yes. Take out. Yes. Next topic, subtopic is rationalization. So, what is the meaning of rationalization? Very very simple. See. For example, 3 divided by root 2 is there. Actually, to be frank speaking, in the denominator, we are not supposed to see any irrational number. To avoid this irrational number, we should multiply with the same irrational number. That's all. So what happens? 3 into root 2 is nothing but 3 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is nothing but, see, you can do like this. Root 2 into root 2. That is root 2 square. Root 2 square means what? Root 2 means 1 by 2 whole to the power of 2. If you multiply 2 to the power of 2 by 2, that is 1. Okay na? So 2 to the power of 1 is always a 2. Like this you should write. Oh, now this is the answer. 3 root 2 by 2. This is a rationalization. Okay na? Sometimes you may get another one like this. 3 divided by 2 root 2. Here also, if you multiply with 2 root 2 also same. If you multiply with only root 2 also same. So I will do like this. Then what happened? 3 to the 6 root 2 divided by 2 root 2 whole square, or 6 root 2 divided by 2 square is 4 into 2. Therefore, 6 root 2 divided by 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8 means 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja. Therefore, 3 root 2 divided by 4. This is also known as rationalization. We are not supposed to see any irrational number in the denominator. We can see in the numerator, there is no problem, but you are not supposed to see in denominator. Okay na? Yes. This is one kind of rationalization. Second kind of rationalization. How? 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. If you see 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. If you want to do rationalization, very simple. Only thing is you should multiply with the same number. Only thing is, if down is in the denominator, if it is plus, we should take it minus. If in the denominator it is minus, then we should take it a plus. Therefore, what we have to take here? Yes, root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. So that is nothing but equal to what? Yes, 2 into bracket root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 a plus b into a minus b over. Therefore, root 3 square minus root 2 square. So again, it is equal to 2 into bracket root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 square is 3 minus 2. Therefore, what is the answer? 2 into bracket root 3 minus root 2. If you want, still root 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2. Yes. Because there is no denominator here. Denominator is not there means what happened? Nothing is there. Nothing is there means what is there? You can do by 1. No problem. Right? Therefore, what is the speciality of rationalization? In the denominator, we have to take out the roots. We have to take out the root means what? We should multiply with the same number. If it is 2 digits are there, 2 terms are there, then if it is plus, then we should go for minus. If it is minus, we have to go with the plus. Did you understand? Yes. Not only this, still also we can extend this. How to extend? Very simple. 3 divided by root 7 plus root 6 minus 2 divided by root 7 minus root 6. Here very simple. We will take one by one. First one is 3 divided by root 7 plus root 6. I told you, if it is plus, we should take minus and we should multiply. That's all. Root 7 minus root 6 divided by root 7 minus root 6. Now very simple. 3 into root 7 minus root 6 divided by root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square. So again you can do it. 3 into bracket root 3 minus root 6, sorry, root 7 it is, sorry, 3 root 7, yes, 3 root 7 minus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6, it is nothing but 3 root 7, 3 root 7 minus 3 root 6, because 7 minus 6 is 1. This is 1. Now take this. If you take what happened? 2 into 2 divided by root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 plus root 6. Then what happens? 2 into bracket root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square. So again, if you do like this, then what happened? 2 root 7 plus 2 root 6. This is 2. So both are subtraction is there, subtraction. Then therefore what happened? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what we get? You can write here, no problem. 3 root 7 minus 3 root 6. Again, minus 2 root 7 minus 2 root 6. Oh, 3 root 7, 2 root 7. Therefore, root 7. Both are minus, therefore we should add 3 plus 2 is 5 root 6. So, numerator nothing is there. There was a numerator. Now, there is no numerator. There is no denominator only. So, like these problems, they will be for 3 marks question. Okay, na? Right. Please observe like this. Sometimes, still some other questions. One more time. Yes. So how the one more time will come? Yes, you may get it like this. Yes, you may get it. Yes. 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3 is equals to a minus 6 root 3. Yes, we should find out the value of a. Very, very simple. You can take it. Take the problem. 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. I told you we are not supposed to we are least bother about the numerator, but we are least bother about the denominator. Therefore, into 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 7 minus 4 root 3. Now you multiply 5 7 ja 35 minus 5 4 ja 20 root 3. Next plus 2 7 ja 14 root 3 minus 2 4 ja 8, 8 plus 8 into 3 is 24 divided by 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. Okay na? Now very simple. It is equal to 35 minus 24. How much it is? 11. Now minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3. Therefore minus 6 root 3 divided by 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16, 16 into 3 is 48. Therefore 11 minus 6 root 3. Now you compare a minus 6 root 3. Therefore a equal to what is that? That is answer. Therefore a equal to what? 11. Okay na? So like these problems, very simple problem. It may be for 2 marks or 3 marks. Yes, one more set of problems to see. First problem, very simple. Root 45 minus 3 root 20 plus 4 root 5. Very simple. 45 we should write the or we should expand this number such a way that in that one number must be perfect square. So we will do like this. 9 into 5 square root of 45 can written as square root of 9 into 5. 3 in the root again we can write 20 means 4 into 5 plus 4 root 5 you can't do anything, you write like that only. Now over square root of 9 is 3 root 5 minus 3 square root of 4 into 5 is nothing but 2 root 5 plus 4 root 5. So 3 root 5 minus 6 root 5 plus 4 root 5. Now just make it separate. Not make it separate because root 5 root 5 root 5. It is nothing but x x or y or z z. Now very simple. 3 plus 4 7 root 5 minus 6 root 5. Therefore what is the answer? Root 5. Okay na? Different problems. Okay, one more problem. 24 square root of 24 by 8 plus square root of 54 divided by 9. Yes. Now square root of 24 can be written as 4 into 6 divided by 8 plus 54 can be written as 9 into 6 divided by 9. Now see, square root of 4 is nothing but 2 root 6 divided by 8 plus 3 root 6 divided by 9. Now 3 ones, 3 threes, 2 ones, 2 fours. It is nothing but how much? Yes, root 6 divided by 4 plus root 6 divided by 3. Now what is the LCM? Yes, LCM is 12. Here it is 3 root 6. Here it is 4 root 6. Therefore combinedly you will get 7 root 6 divided by 12. 4. Okay na? See, any doubt for you? Yes? Any doubts? No doubts. See, I think so problems are very clear. Right? Okay. Yes. Next, 3 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 7 divided by root 3. So very simple. This you can't do anything. 3 root 3. 2 square root of 27. Inside if you write 9 into 3. Okay? Yes. Plus 7 divided by root 3. Now 3 root 3 plus square root of 9 is 3. 3 to the 6 root 3 plus 7 by root 3. Okay na? Now these two are same. You can add. So 3 plus 6, 9. 9 root 3 plus 7 divided by root 3. Now multiply throughout by root 3. Multiply throughout by root 3. What you will get? 9 root 3 into root 3 plus 7 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 cancel. 9 into 3 is 27 plus 7. It is nothing but 34. See here? 3 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 7 by root 3. 3 root 3 as it is. Now root 27 can be written as 9 into 3 plus 7 by root 3 as it is. Now 3 root 3 plus 9 can be written as 9 if it comes outside from the root, it will become 3. 3 into 2 is 6 root 3 plus 7 by root 3. Now 3 root 3 plus 6 root 3 will become 9 root 3 plus 7 divided by root 3. Here root 3 is there, therefore we can directly multiply with root 3. What will get? 9 root 3 into root 3 plus 7 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. Now here you see 9 into 3, root 3 into root 3 is 3. 9 3 is 27 plus 7 is nothing but 34. Okay? Yes. Next problem. Yes, very simple problem. Root 3 minus root 2 whole square. See, these are the applications of irrational numbers. Okay, na? Right. Now see, a minus b whole square. Therefore, root 3 whole square plus root 2 whole square minus 2 into a into b. Now root 3 square is nothing but what I told? 3. Root 2 square is 2 minus 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 is 6. Therefore 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay na? Last one. 3 divided by root 8 plus 1 by root 2. This you can write 3 divided by 4 into 2 root plus 1 by root 2. So it is 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Now what is the LCM please? Yes, you can take it. 3 divided by root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 multiply throughout by 2 root 2. Otherwise LCM is 2 root 2. Okay na? LCM is 2 root 2 means you can take 2 root 2 gone 3 root 2 gone 2. Therefore 5 divided by 2 root 2. 5 divided by 2 root 2. Therefore root 2 divided by root 2. 5 root 2 divided by 2 to the 4. This is the 4. 5 root 2 by 4. Okay na? Like this. Yes, another set of problems. Very easy problems. Take the first one. 2 divided by 3 root 3. See, I told two methods. Directly you can write 3 root 3 divided by 3 root 3. Now, otherwise directly you can take root 3 only, but no problem. You take 2 3 is 6 root 3 divided by, yes, 3 square is 9 into 3. Therefore 3 2 ja 3 1. Therefore what is the answer? 2 root 3 divided by 9. Yes. Next problem. Root 40 by root 3. Root 3 is there. Therefore directly multiply with root 3 into root 3. Therefore root 40 into root 3 divided by 3. Otherwise root 40 can be written as 4 into 10 into root 3 divided by 3. Okay na? Now very simple. It is nothing but 2 root 10 into root 3 divided by 3 or 2 root 30. Okay na? Divided by 3. Yes. Next. 3 plus root 2 divided by 4 root 2. Here you can do only with 2 only, no problem. Root 2 divided by root 2. Therefore what happened? 3 root 2 plus 2 divided by 4 into 2. Therefore 3 root 2 plus 2 divided by 4 to the 8. Okay na? So very simple. Yes. Next problem. 16 divided by root 41 minus 5. So very simple. Root 41 plus 5 divided by root 41 plus 5. Now it is nothing but 16 into root 41 plus 5 divided by 41 minus 25. So it is nothing but equal to root 41 plus 5 into 16. 41 minus 25 of 16, 16 cancel. Therefore root 41 plus 5. Okay na? Next. Two plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Still it is very simple. Okay na? Because always we have to concentrate the denominator only. We are not supposed to see any numerator. So we should see only denominator. So multiply with 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. So 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 is nothing but a plus b whole square. Therefore what happens? A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b divided by 2 square minus root 3 square. So 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3 plus 2 to the 4, root 3 divided by 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3. Therefore 7 plus 4 root 3 by 1. By 1 if you write on the same, if you are not writing also same. It is nothing but how much? 7 plus 4 root 3 divided by 1 or 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay na? Yes, take down please. Yes, one more set of problems to see. 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3. So here denominator root 5 minus root 3 is there, so we should multiply with root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. Correct? Now over. Now see, this you can multiply also, no problem. 3 into root 5 is 3 5 ja 15 plus 3 into root 15 plus root 15 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by root 5 the whole square minus root 3 the whole square. Again 15 plus 3 is 18 plus 3 root 15 plus 15 4 root 15 divided by 5 minus 3, or you take 9 and 2 as common factor, 9 plus 2 root 15 divided by 2 cancel, therefore what is the answer? 9 plus 2 root 15. Yes. Next question, very difficult, different question. 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 divided by square root of 48 plus square root of 18. Now very simple. You see, 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 divided by square root of 48 plus square root of 18. Nice, very simple. Now denominator only will disturb. 5 root 2. 48 can be written as 16 into 3 plus 18 can be written as 9 into 2. Now see, 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 divided by 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Now multiply 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 divided by 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Very simple. Now multiply. Yes? Yes. 4 root 3. Yes. 4 4 just 16. 16 into 3. Next, minus 4 3 is 12 root 6. Next, 5 4 is 20 root 6 minus 5 3 is 15 into 2 divided by 4 root 3 square minus 3 root 2 square. Now very simple, 16 into 3 is 48 minus 30 plus 8 root 6 divided by 4 square is 16, 16 into 3 is 48 minus 3 square is 9, 9 to the 18. Again 48 minus 30 is 18 plus 8 root 6 divided by 30. It is nothing but equal to, if you take 2 as common factor, 9 plus 4 root 6 divided by 2 into 15. 2 cancel over. Therefore, 9 plus square root of 4 root 6 divided by 15. Okay na? So like this, we can do many problems, such problems, so that you practice so many problems, still some more problems are there. Okay, next class I will do some of the problems. Yes, so today we have done some of the problems expanding or expressing in the form of rational number, that is P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, and we have done some of the problems based on the rationalization. Last one more subtopic is there. that is loss of exponents. The loss of exponents and the remaining problems we will do in the next class. Okay na? Have a wonderful day. Take care. Be safe. God bless you.